Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about formulation of linear programming problem. Before that we are going to see what is the structure of LPP. In structure of LPP we are having decision variable, objective function, constraints. Okay, by using them we will formulate our LPP. To see that we will see one example today. So in this example, a factory manufactures two types of product P and product Q, and sell them at a profit of ₹5 for product P and ₹6 for product Q. Each product is processed on two types of machines, M and N. Type P requires 1 minute of processing, whereas type 2Q means P requires 2 minutes on machine N. Similarly, Q requires 1 minute on machine M and 2 minutes on machine N for processing purpose. And a machine M can be available not more than 6 hours. Similarly, machine N cannot be available more than 10 hours during any working day. So for this problem we have to formulate the problem as LP, linear programming. Okay, so for that let us assume that let factory manufactures x1 number of product of type P and x2 number of product of type Q. Okay, so what is there in this question? In this question we are having one factory which is having two types of machine M and N, and each machine process two types of product P and Q. P and Q. Okay, so for this we will formulate a table. So in this question we are having machine. How many types of machine we are having? We are having machine of two types, machine M and machine N. How many types of product we are having? We are having product of type P and type Q. Okay, so x1 unit we are assuming number of product of type P and x2 is the number of product of type Q. Okay, so now we will see what is the processing time. So from here we can see that the type P requires 1 minute of processing time on machine 1. We are calculating in terms of machine minutes. Now second machine N, on machine N type P requires 2 minutes. Similarly, type Q requires 1 minute time on machine M and 2 minute time on machine N. Sorry, over here it is 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute time on machine N. Now maximum time is 6 hours for machine M. So we will multiply 6 with 60. So we will get 360 minutes. Okay, available time of machine M. Similarly, available time of machine N is 10 hours. So again we will multiply with 60 to convert into minutes. So we are having 600 minutes. Now what we have is profit. For type P product we have rupees 5 profit after selling them. Similarly, for type Q we are having a profit of ₹6. So by using this table we will formulate our LPP problem. So first thing is my objective is to maximize my profit P, which is equals to P into x1 units, this much we will sell, plus 6 into x2. So this is my objective function. Okay, next is constraints. So constraints are 1 minute into x1 product plus 1 minute into x2. This will be the process time on machine M for each product which should be less than its available time. Similarly, for machine 2 it's 2x1 plus 1x2, and that is also less than 600 minutes. Okay, so that's my constraint equation, these two. Okay, last, in non-negative conditions, x1 and x2 both should be greater than 0, means we can't produce product which is negative in number. Okay, so the problem can be finally put in this form. My objective function is to maximize the profit, so maximize P is equals to 5x1 plus 6x2, subjected to constraints which is 1x1 plus 1x2 less than 360. Second constraint equation is 2x1 plus 1x2 which is less than 600. And non-negative conditions, x1 x2 greater than 0. Okay, so that's how we will formulate our linear programming problem. Okay, so that's all for today's example. Thank you.